Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Corolla door lock. We'll cover the most common methods, starting with the key fob. This small device offers quick and easy access with just a press of a button. For times when the fob isn't working, or if you prefer a traditional approach, using the physical key is always a reliable option. We'll explore both methods to ensure you can always get into your vehicle. The key fob is your primary tool for remote access. A single press of the unlock button typically opens only the driver's door, a useful security feature. If you need to open all doors for passengers or cargo, simply press the unlock button a second time within a few seconds. Remember to keep your key fob battery fresh. A low battery can prevent it from working correctly, leaving you unable to unlock your car remotely. When your key fob isn't available or its battery is dead, the physical key is your backup. Locate the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Insert the key fully into the lock cylinder. To unlock the door, turn the key firmly in a clockwise direction. You should feel a click as the lock disengages. To lock it again, simply turn the key counterclockwise. This method is always reliable, regardless of electronic issues. Once inside, opening the door is straightforward using the interior handle. For families, remember the child safety locks on the rear doors. These small levers, usually found on the door's edge, prevent the door from being opened from the inside, enhancing passenger safety. Always be mindful of your surroundings before opening any door, especially in busy areas, to prevent accidents with passing vehicles or pedestrians. Safety first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.